What's up, everybody? Got a 2001 Honda Civic in here, running rough, hard to crank, spitting and sputtering. Runs really bad. Smokes, flooding out. Give you an example of what it's doing. No RPM gauge. Key flashing. Give it gas. Runs really bad. One common problem on these, when they act like that, the alternator can give issues. And this one looks really bad and is not charging. So what happens is it can ground out and mess your computer up, your ECU. It's pretty common on these, so I hope that's not what's happened. Maybe I can change the alternator. If not, then I've got another ECU. So we will see what happens with it. Alright guys, I just replaced the alternator. Got it all nice. I did find the broken bolt and the bracket was stripped out. So the alternator was just flopping around. So I replaced the bracket with the one I had, and alternator as well. So there's the whole bracket. Threads are all pulled out. So what I had to do, whenever you think you have a fried computer, you cannot just replace just the computer on these. So this is all temporary. As soon as I test it up and see that it does fix it, I will put it all back where it's supposed to go. So I pulled the computer off of a donor car that I have. It's just temporarily in there right now, plugged up. You also have to have a matching immobilizer. So I have it rigged as well, just temporary, the one hanging down with the correct key in the cylinder or in the hole. And I'm just using the regular lock cylinder right now. So I'm gonna fire it up and see what she does. So we have RPM. Let's give it a little gas. I believe we got it fixed. So alternator got loose and spiked the voltage, which caused the ECU to short out, and it's still cranked, but it would run like crap. So if you don't know about this, it's definitely will make you go crazy, and you'll have to spend a lot of time trying to diagnose and put sensors on it or look for grounds or bad wiring. So maybe this will help y'all out. Hope y'all have a good day.